Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here at weatherweb.net. Thanks again for watching. Remember, we're kept free of charge by the adverts you see around the screen here. It's by you coming back and using the adverts using the site. That's what keeps us free of charge. Now, these are the 7 to 10 day means of the 500 millibar flow. This is from next Wednesday through to next Friday. And what I want you to notice here is still got this block look up towards the north, but notice the jet stream here through the Atlantic on both sets of charts. So reasonable agreement on both models. Now, what I'm looking for is this ridge being built like so in here over the period after about the 22nd or 23rd, because I think what that's starting to hint is that we could be in for my general rising pressure I was talking about at the end of the month, and the idea of dry conditions coming through. Now, of course, anything could change, but I'm looking at that over the next 24 hours, so I'll keep you updated as to latest thoughts. This is the chart for today. It shows high pressure still out towards the west. We've got low pressure here towards the east, and this cool northerly flow. Some snow showers down the eastern coast and still one or two inland and affecting southern areas too. Now, during tonight we're going to be in for a cold one of widespread frost again. More snow showers affecting eastern coastal areas. And then I think what we're going to find through the course of Wednesday is that we stay with this northerly flow. That brings some snow showers into the Midlands across the eastern coast as well, but for many it is just going to be a cold day with some sunny spells. Overnight into Thursday, ridge of high pressure building in from the west, and then for Thursday itself it looks to be a fair day for most, some good spells of sunshine around, although notice the cloud and the rain starting to pile in here from the west during the latter part of the day. Then into Friday, the rain spreads eastwards. Low pressure is centred towards the west of Scotland by then, and we find this rain tracking its way gradually eastwards through the course of the day. So it looks as if it will become wetter on Friday afternoon across many areas, particularly I think for northern England, Wales, southwestern parts of England. Patchier rain across East Anglia in the southeast, and I think we'll probably find brighter weather with showers following into Ireland and into much of Scotland and perhaps northwest England as well. Quite windy down here towards the south and the east, gusts of 25 to 30 miles per hour. And then into the weekend, well, low pressure. We wish it was high pressure. Low pressure looks like it's going to dominate. This is the chart for Saturday. Low pressure in control. It looks like it brings rain across these southeastern areas, probably showers elsewhere. And then into Sunday, still got that low pressure area look still in situ, bringing more unsettled conditions. Most of the rain, Scotland, northern England, parts of Wales as well. And this whole area rotating around like so. Could be a little bit milder for East Anglia and the southeast, but really where this cold air is being trapped in across Scotland and Northern Ireland, look, feeding in from the east, we could find that these showers tend to snow across eastern parts of Scotland and northern England. And then into next week, well, low pressure is still in control, so still unsettled conditions. Showers or longer spells of rain look to be on the cards. And I think what we'll find eventually is that low does pull away into the middle of next week, but look, it brings back in this cold northerly flow. That then could bring some snow showers down these eastern coasts by around next Wednesday, although western areas tending to stay a little bit brighter, but still, as I say, we've got that colder weather that we're going to have to be dealing with. Rainfall, these are the rainfall total amounts expected up till next Wednesday, and you can see that the model generally is going for around 20 to 30 millimetres for most of us. That looks reasonable, although these eastern coasts of Scotland and northeast England could see more because of the rotational effect of that area of low pressure just slinging through areas of rain and showers onto these coasts. Generally though, 20 to 30 millimetres for most, could be 50 to 70 down these eastern. And what happens after that? Well, this is the ensemble picking up where we left off on the 20th of March. There's our area of low pressure off towards the east. Let's just watch what happens. As the sequence progresses, that low actually makes a move westwards. And what it does is it basically stays unsettled through us, through the UK and Ireland, through into the weekend after next. Now, after that, we see some interesting developments in the Atlantic, because watch this ridge here. It's this ridge that I'm looking at, because you'll notice how that gradually builds its way northwards, okay, and that increases pressure through the UK. So it improves conditions across the British Isles right at the end of the sequence here. What we do get is still low pressure influencing Ireland and western parts of Scotland, so still we're going to find rain in here. However, away from southwestern coasts, probably running up from much of England and eastern parts of Scotland, here we could find some sunny spells, and it should be drier too. So there are those signs there of this improvement taking place. I still think after about the 22nd or 23rd, but the signs are there that there will be an improvement taking place. So let's keep our fingers crossed, hope that that's still there. Once again, thanks for watching. Remember, we're kept free of charge by the adverts you see around the screen here. By you coming back and using the site, that's what keeps us free of charge. If you're off to Cheltenham, don't forget to check out our Cheltenham forecasts. And for now, thanks for watching, and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.